will eventually come true. I stop my busy footsteps. If I want my next foldable quadcopter, experience life with your heart. It's powerful and easy to operate. Outdoor GPS fixed point can make it hover precisely in the air. GPS intelligent following system ensures it to record my cycling figure in a flying angle. It's equipped with 1080p high-definition wide-range camera, which can be adjusted by 90 degrees up and down and record the excellent moments. .360-degree circumferential point setting provides a brand new angle to view the familiar scenery and record the wonderful moments. Airline planning will give up the complex operation, set the desired track, and will hurt from the destination automatically. Heat determines my sight, and sight changes the way I look at the world. Intelligent operation experience, easy to return with one button. If I want my next foldable quadcopter, change another way to see the world.
Perspective limits our altitude and vice versa, but this T25 release it. Looks amazing? You can also make it. Potensic T25. Life should be this way. Refuse to be complicated and make it simple. One key taking off, landing. Fixed point hovering in the air. GPS positioning system. And one key auto return. T25 can automatically return and land precisely. However, our T25 is more than that. T25 can meet all your expectations. A smart drone. The drone will fly according to your designed route and the app map. A good partner. T25 will always fly around you wherever you go by the follow me. vastness. But Potenzic's enterprising craftsmanship can make our dream finally come true. T25 enlightens your life.